Hi guys, what's up? This is Boss Lady Shruti and summer is in full swing and I wanted to do my top 10 nude lipsticks for the summer. These are lipsticks that I swear by. If you follow me on Snapchat, follow me if you aren't, true for you, listed down below. For my Snap fam, they know that I always love wearing nude lipsticks and you'll always see me wearing one during the daytime, and I just thought I'll share my top 10 picks. So if you want to know what all those are, please keep watching. So first up we have this Maybelline one. Oh my god, you guys, if you follow me on Snapchat, you know I'm constantly wearing this on my lips. My Snap fam really knows this. I love the way it feels on your lips. The formula is such that after it dries, it is like a powder matte, what the name suggests, and it's very comfortable to wear. And this shade, you guys, it just brightens my day. It totally brightens my day. Next up we have this L'Oreal lipstick. I love the formula of this because it's very hydrating, though it's matte. I think I've featured only matte lipsticks in this whole range because that's the kind of lipstick I really like wearing. And this color I think is a very nice office wear color for anyone out there looking for an option like that. And yeah, for my skin tone, I feel this looks really muted at the same time browny nude. You know what I mean? So yes, that's why I like this. Next up we have this Color Bar one. Oh my god, this is such a cult favorite. This is in Hot Latte. This is the right in between a pink and a brown for me, at least on my skin tone. And I love the formula of this because it doesn't, sit weirdly on your lips. Though when you reapply, you kind of have to take it off and reapply, but I don't mind that because I love the color of this. It's that in between color which, like I told you guys, I always love going for. And because this fits formula, it's very long wearing, and that's why I love it. Next up we have this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. I think last summer everyone was only wearing this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream on their lips. This one kind of looks like it is washing me out, but I always wear this with like a nude lip liner underneath. And because I have very pigmented lips, this is not kind of showing off too well. But when I wear this with a lip liner, you guys, oh my god, this is the bomb. And like it's just such a fresh color, and at the same time so muted and nude. That's why I love it. Again we have a Miss Claire. I love the formula of this, you know this, and it sits very beautifully on the lips. It doesn't crack and smudge and all that kind of jazz, so that is why I like it. This is a little more pinky color in the nude-ish range, and this is also like a very cool tone bluish pink, if you know what I mean. And yeah, very nice everyday nudie pink that you can go for. And the price point, you guys, Miss Claire is killing it at that price point, so yes, you can't go wrong with this. Next up is this Maybelline Lip Gradation. I love doing that with this one. I especially like the packaging of this. I love the fact that it's got this lipstick on one side and this sponge applicator on the other side. I love the sponge applicator not really to create like a lip gradation, but to just kind of settle the lipstick into your lips. I feel it does a beautiful job of that, and it gives your lips that beautiful pout, and it like cleans up around itself also. I don't know how else to explain it because it just sits very well on your lips after I did that. Then next up is this Revlon Matte Lip Balm. Guys, in 2016, the whole of summer, I've only worn this. I've not worn anything else on my lips. Trust me. And having the 200 lipsticks that I have, this is one such lipstick that I have repurchased. So you can imagine how much I love this one right here. This might not look too nude to you guys, but on my skin tone, it is in a little bit of the nudish range. It is definitely pink, but it is also muted, so that's why I included this. Also, the formula, it's so minty on your lips. Love it. Next up we have this Chambord Liquid Lipstick. Again, this might look really pink to people, but on me, when I actually wear it, it's not as pink or as, you know, bright. It looks a little more muted on my lips. I feel it's got that little bit of cool undertone to it, which is why it looks a little more nudish than pinky pink. And yes, the formula of this is also very nice. It doesn't give me butthole lips, which I love. And yeah, it's kind of like a no-brainer. When I don't know what to go for, I usually go for this. Next up we have MAC Meher. Guys, this is one of my first real true MAC purchases, and I'm so glad that this was the lipstick that I got from MAC as my first purchase. I think anyone out there who wants to splurge a little bit on their nude lipstick and wants to feel luxurious about wearing a nude lipstick, they should definitely go in for Meher. It's beautiful on Indian skin tones and it's just made beautifully well. Mickey Contractor did such a good job by naming this after his wife that I adore this lipstick. You have no idea how much I love it. Yay! By the look on my face, you can imagine how much I love this one. This is Velvet Teddy by MAC. This lipstick, you guys, this is my top favorite. Like, it is the number one favorite amongst everyone. Whenever I'm wearing like a smoky eye and I just don't know what lips to wear with that, I always wear Velvet Teddy. MAC lipsticks have the most beautiful matte formula that I can ever find in most of the lip colors out there. And yeah, like Meher and Velvet Teddy are such classics for me that I don't think I'll ever move away from them. And I love the fact that it brings out the tan in my skin tone. That's why I love it. It's like I said, my number one, you guys. It's my number one. So yes, those are my top 10 picks for nude lipsticks this summer. These are not really new launches, but these are kind of those staple classics that I always like going back to. Especially my MAC lipsticks. These are ride or die for me when it comes to nude lipsticks. If there is something that I cannot think of, like if I have a look going on and I don't know what lipstick to go with it, I usually go with Meher or Velvet Teddy. So this is what made me want to do this video. And yes, if you like such videos, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because I make new videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and travel. And also hit that notification bell so you're all notified every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.